lovelies and beauties. I hope you all are doing very great. And I'm Ria, as you know me from my previous videos. So I'm here to talk about this one, The Midnight Library by Matt Haig. As you have seen in the subtitle that we are going to just rant about this video, I'll be telling you what is my perspective of this book, what is my POV, and if you should be starting this one or not. So first of all, if I talk about the story, so this book revolves around a lady, around we can say the life of that lady, and she is someone who has lost interest from her life because from past 24 hours there was nothing good happening in her life, and at last she got this idea that she should be ending her life because there is no meaning to it. Now if you have this question that why did I start this book, right? Like whenever we start a book we always have this thing in our mind that if I should be reading this one or not. So मेरे mind में ऐसा क्या आया that I chose this one. So I remember the time I read this one when I was going to my hometown, and I was feeling some kind of, I don't know, there were mixed feelings because, okay, let's not get on to that stuff. Let's just focus on this book. So we were just like कि चलो ठीक है, what I was like कि if I should be starting this one or not. So इसका title is, as you know, The Midnight Library, right? So मेरे माइंड में था कि ये स्टोरी एक लाइब्रेरी की होगी जो कि मिडनाइट तक रहता होगा, उसमें there must be people who must be meeting each other and something like that. मेरे को लगा कि एक लाइब्रेरी होगी जिसके बारे में ये बुक है. But when I read this one, I got to know that no, it is not talking about the actual library with normal books. Of course, it is about library with books, but the books are something else. So, as I told you that the lady was like, अब तो मेरे लाइफ में कुछ बचा नहीं है, अभी मुझे कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, I am done with my life and I want to just die. And she died. उसने सुसाइड कर लिया. But that was a point of time जब ये स्टोरी स्टार्ट हुई. सो हाउ? सो जब उसने सुसाइड किया, शी डाइड बट नॉट, यू कैन से ऑफ कोर्स रियल लाइफ में तो शी डाइड, बट आफ्टर हर डेथ और आफ्टर द सुसाइड शी वेंट इनटू दिस लाइब्रेरी जो कि लाइफ के बाद का प्लेस है बट डेथ से पहले का प्लेस है. सो यू कैन से आफ्टर लाइफ तो थी बट उसकी डेथ पूरी नहीं हुई थी. नाउ जब वो इस लाइब्रेरी में एंटर होती है, सो देयर आर एन नंबर ऑफ बुक्स, लाइक वो जहाँ भी देख रही है दे आर जस्ट बुक्स एंड बुक्स एंड बुक्स. बट आर दे नॉर्मल बुक्स? नो, दे वर द बुक्स जो कि उसकी लाइफ से रिलेटेड था. एज इन अगर उसने डिसीजन ए लिया होता तो ऐसा आउटकम आ सकता था, अगर उसने डिसीजन बी लिया होता तो ऐसा आउटकम आ सकता था. इस सिचुएशन में उसकी ये लाइफ हो सकती थी. सो इस वे में देयर वर एन नंबर ऑफ बुक्स, राइट? इंटरेस्टिंग, वेरी 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 इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड that was the point that this book hooked me up with itself. I didn't want to just keep it anywhere. I was just reading continuously, and within 24 hours, I mean, I was on a journey, I was going to hometown, and still within 24 hours I just finished this one because this book has so much, matlab, there are so many messages in this book. There are so many chapters from which the female protagonist is getting so many, you can say, answers and so many messages. And at the same point of time, me being a reader, I'm also getting a number of learnings from this book, right? Because जब भी हम book read करते हैं, what do? हमारा mind ऐसा हो जाता है कि I am that person with whom everything is happening. मतलब we do not read that book with a third person POV. We read a book thinking that I am that individual only, correct? So that was my situation. And in the way that the female protagonist was learning a number of things about her life, कि अगर उसने ये किया होता तो उसे क्या मिल सकता था, उसका आउटकम क्या होता, was she happy or not. In the same way, I also started thinking in that zone, right? Of course, I don't want to give you any spoilers, so I will not continue with the outcome or with the conclusion. But from my side, if you talk about or if you ask about the rating, I will give this book 5 out of 5. Because for me, I give 5 star only when I'm hooked with a book, and with a book in a positive way. Like, इस book ने मुझे बहुत सारी learnings दी है, बहुत सारे messages बताए हैं. This book has also given me hope, right? So, and I was not able, as I told you, I was not able to keep this book aside unless I finished this one. So of course it's a 5-star book. What else can I want from a 5-star? And so I have told you about the basic story. I have told about what is this book about. I have told you what is the meaning of this Midnight Library, right? So if you ask me why I chose this one, so there were 4 reasons. Firstly, I this book was trending, right? I know कि ये 2020 में आया था, but even if I read it in 2025, it was trending. जिसने भी इस बुक को रीड किया है, पॉइंट नंबर सेकंड, जिसने भी इस बुक को रीड किया है, जिसके भी रिव्यूज़ मैंने देखे हैं, every review was in positive way. They were giving either 4.5, 4.8 or 5 star. Point number third, I really wanted to know that what is this Midnight Library is all about. As in, of course, मेरे को ये लग रहा था कि ये एक लाइब्रेरी के बारे में वो होगी, but as a reader, I was just attracted by the word library. तो मुझे लाइब्रेरी देख करके बहुत इंटरेस्ट आया. वो लाइक चलो ठीक है, बुक्स के बारे में कुछ रीड करती हूँ. So these are the whole reasons that I started reading this book. So if you are a reader and also if you want to search for a meaning in your life, or if you want to have some fun, just read this one. I promise it will definitely change your perspective of living your life. This is a very beautifully written by Matt. I am in love with this book. I am in love with the writing because it is so easy to read. I mean, even the words are so easy to catch, to read, that you will fall in love with this one. So go and read this book. And that was all from my side in this video about the review. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in another video.